In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a minimum order price in Shopify. Setting a minimum order amount is a great way to protect your margins and avoid processing lots of very small, unprofitable orders. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to do it using a Shopify app called Block-it Checkout Validation, and we'll go step by step so you can follow along on your own store. First, log into your Shopify admin dashboard. At the top of the dashboard, look for the search bar. Click into that search bar, and from the drop-down that appears, choose Apps. In the search field, type Block-it and press Enter on your keyboard. This will open the Shopify App Store. From the search results, look for the app called Block-it Checkout Validation. Once you've found it, go ahead and install the app and follow all of the installation prompts until it's fully added to your store. When the installation is complete, you'll be taken to the Block-it dashboard. On the top right side of this dashboard, you'll see a card with the app status. Make sure the app is enabled so that your rules can actually run. Just below this, you'll see a button that says Create Validation Rules. Click that button. You'll now see 3 rule set options. Look for rule set number 2, and on that card, click the Create Rule link in the bottom right corner. Now you're on the rule details page. Here, enter a clear rule name and a short description. These are just for internal use, so choose something that will help you recognize this as your minimum order rule later. Under the section that says Trigger this rule when the customer is, decide when you want this rule to run. You can check or uncheck the options for landing on the checkout page from the cart and for completing checkout, depending on when you want the validation to happen. On the right side, you'll see a status card. Make sure that Active is selected so this rule will be applied. Scroll down until you see Validation Tier 1. Start by giving this tier a title, again for internal use only. Then look at the Validation Customization rules. You'll see options for All Below and Any Below. Choose Any Below. In the Select Rule Type drop-down, choose Order Total Amount. In the Select Condition Rule drop-down, choose Is Less Than or Equals. In the Value box, type your minimum order amount. For example, 20 for a $20 minimum. In the global error message field, write a clear message for your customers, such as, minimum order amount is $20. Please add more items to your cart. Next, find the section labeled Final Action and make sure Block Customer from Completing Checkout is selected. This ensures that customers cannot finish their purchase until they meet the minimum amount. When everything looks good, go to the top right of the page and click Create to save your rule. Your minimum order price is now enforced on your Shopify store.